Today we will discuss about the how to create the record type in Salesforce. First, we need to understand what is meant by record type. So now, record type definition. To differentiate the page layout with different field, that is called the record type. So let me going to explain the record type details. The first step, log into Salesforce. I'm opening the Salesforce. I have already logged into Salesforce. Before create a record type, we must create a business process for standard object so that we can able to create a record type. So for example, when there are standard object is there and the custom object is there, if you are going for the standard object, we need to create a record type. Before creating the record type, we must create the business process. For example, if it's a case object, we need to create a support process. If it is a lead object, we need to create a lead process. If it is opportunity object, for example, I want to create a record type in the opportunity object. Before create a sales process, then only we can create a record type in the opportunity object. Okay. Now I'm creating a record type in the custom object. No need to create any business process. Custom object, no need to create the any business process. We can create a record type directly in Salesforce. Okay. So we can create a record type directly in the employee object. So we will take the one employee object. In employee object, I'm going to create a record type. Okay. Now go to the setup and then click object manager and then select employee and then select the record type. Now I'm going to the Salesforce and click the setup button. Okay. And then select the object manager and then select the employee object. I selected the employee object. So here there is a record type. Okay. So in record in the employee object, now so create two record type. One is an employee, another one is a non-employee, and then create two page layout. One is an employee page layout, another one is a non-employee page layout, and then assign the each record type into each page layout. Okay, these three steps we must follow. Now I need to create the. Now I'm going to. We can create a multiple record type. First, I will create a two record type. Okay, and then I will create a two record type and then assign the each record type into each page layout. Okay, now I'm going to create a record type. First record type, employee. So just take master existing record type. Okay, just leave it this one. Same thing, and then record type label name. So I'm put employee details. So like this I will put employee. Okay, let me put employee and then record type name. It's a AP name. It automatically it will pop up. So description you can put employee. You can put anything. Employee record type 1. So like that it's a description. Make sure first whenever if you create a record type, first time the checkbox is ticked and then so make sure enable for profile also is already checked. If it is unchecked, you make sure if it is checked so that this record type will be active. Or if you uncheck it, this record type is not active, it won't work. Okay. So enable for profile means this record type, what are the users are accessing this profile, every user can able to create a record type. Click next button and then so employee apply one layout. It's just keep it like this and then click save and new. Yeah, save and new. Save and new means I can able to create a next record type. Okay, if it is the same means I can go select the record type and then I create new button like this. Save and name means it will come automatically like this page. Now I am putting the non-employee. This is a description. Non-employee employee record type 2. Okay, non-record type 2. So make sure this is active and then enable for. So what are the profile you want to access the record type means you have to just check the checkbox. Otherwise, right now I check all the profile and then click next. So and then save. Now I have created the 2 record type. So one is the employee record type, another one is a non-employee record type. Now I need to create a 2-page layout so that I can assign the each record type into each page layout. So let me create a 2-page layout. Select the page layout here, the same page. Click new button. So existing, just take the employee is a standard employee layout, and whenever you're creating the object at the time it will come. So this page layout I will put employee page layout page. Okay, save. So employee page layout, what are the information need to enter? So for example, employee information, I created so many fields: last name, date of birth, gender, college name, percentage, school name. If it is an employee means they will added the some education details. If it is a non-employee means non-employee page layout, we are removing some field from here. So right now all the field I will keep it the employee page layout. Okay. And then I will create another page layout called non-employee page layout. Non-employee page layout. Now, if it is a non-employee means no need to collect the education information for the non-employee page layout. So I have removed some field from the non-employee page layout. So make sure you have to select the what are the field you want. Otherwise, let me cancel. I will create one more time. Employee page layout, non-employee page layout. Let me. We can delete it easily. Okay. One more time. I will create a non-record type page layout. Create new button. So make it sure employee page layout. If you clone the standard employee layout, you will get all the field. Okay. If you not clone this one, you didn't get all the field. Only you will get the employee name like this. Okay. So right now, previously I didn't clone this one. That's why only one field is I got it. Now employee page layout. Sorry, non-employee page layout. This one I will put non-employee page layout. Okay. So now you can see the standard page layout I clone it. That's why I get all the field now. Okay. Now here I don't want the education information for the non-employee page layout. The college name I will remove the percentage and then school name. So because non-employee I will put it's non-educated person like this. School name like this. Okay. I removed some field from the non-employee page layout. Now I created 2 record type and then I created 2 page layout. Okay, let me go to that application. I created for one application is HR application. In the HR application, I created one object called employee object. In the employee object, I can see just click new button, create new employee button. Okay, click new employee. You can see this is the record type name. This is the record type description. This is the record type name. This is the record type description. I selected first one. Now we can see all the field is coming. Last name, date of birth, gender, college name, percentage, everything is coming. But if I'm select the second one, non-employee, click next button, you can see here also getting all the field. Why? So this page layout also I'm getting, but I removed some field from the non-page layout. But it's coming here. What is the reason? Because I didn't assign the page record type into page layout. That is the reason I can see all the field here. Okay. Now go to the page layout. Now there is a page layout assignment. Okay. Click on the page layout assignment. Okay. So here edit assignment. So here, so default is the master employee layout. Just keep it this one. It is employee means you have to, it's everything employee layout. You can see non-employee layout. I can see only employee layout. So all the record type I can able to see only the employee layout. I need to change this one. So just click on this, select the employee layout. If you don't want, select unselect. Okay. If you don't want, just select employee layout and then select non-employee layout. Okay, you can see this, the employee object will contain the on the employee layout, non-employee record type contain the non-employee pg. Okay, but this is one I didn't select it properly. Employee pg means employee page layout. Okay, now it's changed. Now if you don't want, again just click. If you don't want anything, just it will replace. Okay, now I want to select again employee page layout. So this employee record type, I selected the employee page layout. Non-employee record type, I selected the non-employee page layout. Okay, now I'm saving this one. Loading. It's saved now. Okay, let me go and check that. Just refresh one more time. Click new button. So employee page layout, let me employee record type is selected. Now it's coming all the field. Okay, now if I'm selected non-employee record type, look at this. There's a school name, college name, college name, percentage is not coming because in the non-employee page layout I removed some field here. That's the reason in the non-employee record type you cannot see that field. Okay, I hope you understand everyone. And then sales process I will explain next video. And one more thing, if you don't want to visible the record type in the, if you don't want to visible the employee object, if you want uncheck means go to the record type, you can uncheck it. Otherwise you can go to the profile. In the profile just search user, go to the user and then select the profile. Something profile, anyone profile, open this. Here, sorry, it's a role profile. Go to the user. It's a sales profile. Now just search record type. Now it's the edit mode, that's why it's not visible. Just go to the detail mode. Okay, just console setting, page layout. Okay, go to the record is custom object page. Now you can see it is a article type. Okay, custom app settings, connected app access, tab settings. Okay, tab record type. Wow, here is the record type settings. Now you can see is there anywhere employee object, employee object. What is the yeah, here there is a employee object. Just click edit. Now just you have to remove the two record type. Here save at least one record type, you can select master. Okay, so here save, so that user cannot able to create a record type. If for example if you go to the profile, system administrator user, right now I'm a system administrator, so now go to the user, I'm sorry, one second, user, open the system administrator profile, edit. So here just scroll down, tab setting, under custom record type setting. Now you can see here there is a employee settings, so just click edit. Now I will remove this, I will add master. Okay, click save. Now if I'm going to see, just refresh. Now I'm creating the new employee. Now I didn't refresh it properly. Now only one layout is coming, there is no record type. So this is a way to remove the if you want to remove the record type, so go to the profile and then there is a record type settings, and then in the profile there is a record type setting. In the record type setting, just remove the two record type name and then just move the master record type into right side, so we can deactivate the record type so that the record type is not visible in the object. Another one is while creating the record type, there is an active button that is unchecked, the record type it will not display. Okay, this is the two way to deactivate the record type. Okay, thank you so much.